How to log in Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into ADCB account. For this, you need to download and install the ADCB app on your device. Once you have installed the application on your device, go ahead and launch it open. Now, this is going to be the home screen of ADCB mobile banking app. You first of all want to select your language from here. After that, you want to tap on the start option over here. Now, in order to be logged in, you have two options here. You can log in using your card number or using your customer ID. If you select your card number, go ahead and enter your credit or debit card number over here. Then tap on the next option. If you are using your customer ID, select that option. Then you want to enter your customer ID over here. Now tap on the next option. Next step is to enter your password. After you've entered your password, you will be successfully logged into the Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank online account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.